Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize spending habits with Acorns, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Acorns app on your device. If you haven't already, create an account and log in. Once you're on the main screen, navigate to the Accounts tab. Here, you'll see your investment portfolio. Tap on Round UPS to set up automatic savings. Connect your bank account to allow transactions. Choose the round-up amount that suits your spending habits. You can select to round up to the nearest dollar or choose a custom setting. Next, go to the Invest tab to review your investment options. Explore different portfolios based on your risk tolerance. Select a portfolio that aligns with your financial goals. Return to the Home tab to track your spending. Link your credit and debit cards for a comprehensive view. Monitor your transactions to see where you can cut back. Utilize the Learn section for tips on better financial management. Set monthly spending goals to manage your budget effectively. Use the insights provided by Acorns to adjust your habits accordingly. Check the Roundup feature regularly for savings updates. Make changes as necessary to your investment strategy. Stay engaged with Acorns to maximize your spending optimization. If the page does not load, refresh the. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.